Hello you guys, my name is Nelson Alvarez and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Xbox Series controller, which I'm pretty excited to show you guys, and let's get into the video. The Xbox controller costs around 60 bucks, but you can get these for like 40 bucks each year on Black Friday. You can have the Xbox controller blue, black, and white, which they're called Shock Blue, Carbon Black, and Robot White. When you first unbox the controller, it comes with some Duracell batteries, Xbox Game Pass, and some instruction for the controller. There are some differences between the new controller and the old controller, and you can easily spot them. When you get your hands on the new controller, the texture of the controller feels way different than the old one. It feels way smoother, and it just feels really nice to get your hands on it. Bottom of the controller has a headphone jack and a recessed port, which is used for other accessories. The new controller has a new port called the USB-C cable, which Apple uses as well. The top controller has a new button called the share button. The button has the ability to record or take screenshots. Hold down to record and click to screenshot. You can adjust this by going through Xbox settings or accessories app. The controller also has a new D-pad, which feels way different than the other one. I like this one because it just feels different. So now I will compare my old controller, which is all screwed up, and I'll compare the other controller, the brand new one. You can see the old controller D-pad is a bit glossy, which the other one is not. They both have different ports. The bottom looks the same as usual. Other than that, they're just the same. So I like the new controller better than the old one, and I think I'll stick with the new one. So yeah. My opinion over the new controller, I think it's great. I like where this is heading. I like the new port. The new looks of it is amazing. Looks better than the old one, and yes, I recommend you guys to get this controller on Black Friday because they're pretty cheap. Not gonna lie. Other than that, starting this week, I will at least be posting one video per week. The thing is, it just takes time. It does not take time at all. I just can't afford any of these products, and that's kind of the reason why. So other than that, thank you guys very much for supporting and checking out my latest videos. That means a lot to me. Thank you very much, and peace out.